All right, guys, so let's take a look at this week's warm-up. Now, if you read the Marquez, you know that we're going to start talking about surveys. And a survey is just anytime you are collecting data, and you could be asking people questions, you could just be recording the data based on your own observations. Either way, we put that data into a lot of different formats, and if you look, we see this format right here is obviously a table. We've got pie charts, and then I think that's all I've got as far as different ways to show data on this warm-up. So let's just look at question one. Basically, what we're going to be doing is going back to when we're talking about percentages. So if I look at question one, let's read the question. Based on the table below, what percent, there's your keyword right there, of people drink tea at breakfast? Okay, so first we look at, okay, what does frequency mean, right? Frequency means how often or how many, right? Okay, so if we're looking at how often or how many, I know that 15 people drink orange juice, 24 people drink water, 47 people drink coffee, 13 people drink tea, and 8 people drink nothing. Okay, so my question says, what percent of people drink tea at breakfast? Is the question asking me how many people drink tea at breakfast? No, because that'd be... it's a reasonable question, but it's a really easy question to answer, right? We just look and see that it says, oh, okay, 13 people drink tea. But remember, if we're going back to percentage, what does percentage mean, right? Percentage means out of, right? And when we're talking about percentage, it's out of 100%. Okay, and so we're going to set up our standard scenario. So we're going to see, okay, 13 people drink tea at breakfast. Now, what is my 100%? Well, my 100% is everybody that was surveyed, right? So that's my 100%. So I need to say, okay, I'm going to set up my ratio. My ratio is 100%. We don't know what percentage out of that. I know that 13 people drink tea, and it's going to be out of my total, my 100%. So I will add up 15 plus 24 plus 47 plus 13 plus 8, which will give me my total number of people that were surveyed, right? And so now I know that I've got 107 people. Out of those 107 people, 13 of them drink tea. I can do the cross multiplication. 13 times 100 gives me 1,300. Okay, 1,300, and then I'll divide that by 107. Okay, and so then my percentage becomes about 12%, 12.15%. Okay, another way to do this is to just divide these two numbers and then multiply by 100. So I could say 13 divided by 107, that will give me 0.1215. And then if I multiply that by 100, remember it moves that decimal point to right about there. Where's my little, okay, there it is. Anyway, it's not showing the marking right now. Anyway, it's right there in between the 2 and the 1, right there. Okay, so that's how we work out percentages when we are looking at these survey questions. Now, all we have to do is manipulate this original formula here, right? So if I'm doing that, okay, so I know that This will always be my 100%. This will be percent we don't know. This will be my total, and this will be the out of, okay, the smaller amount. Okay. So I want you guys to go ahead and give number 2 a try using, remember our basic breakdown there. Let me know if you have any further questions, and then maybe tomorrow I'll come back and work out number 2. Thanks, guys. I hope everybody's doing well.